See, that's the thing. Hipsters want to be me.
Oh, let's get into it. If you didn't know, Brittany's a little, just a little hipster. Like everyone's wearing my shirt now.
No, I always like hit a trend before it's cool.
My favorite part is while talking about wearing a Spice Girls sweatshirt, you were like, other people want to be me. And I was waiting for you to drop just a few, like, come on, anymore.
Like when tassels and fringe were really in. No, listen to me, I'm telling you. Like fringe on like their jackets and like bags and stuff were in. But like the summer before, I was just like, you know, I don't like bag tassels on it and like fringe, and so I started wearing it.
No, it's true. Brittany's responsible for a lot of our flair. She would, I mean, this is a shirt that she did.
That's true. He was like, guys, I need a decision. Should I wear this one or a different Christmas sweater? And I was like, it's all or nothing, gotta be that one.
You've set a trend.
Yeah.
A trend of one. I'll just buy it for other people and they'll be like, this is hot. And Amazon says this is a bestseller. And you're like, one person is buying it for everyone, but it's a bestseller.
Oh, you know which trend I realized most recently that I hopped on and then read an article about it being a new trend for the winter was dark hair is coming back. Like blondes are out and dark hair is in.
It's just.
And I was just. I mean, it's dark somewhere under there. Yeah, you were very ahead, yes. But I was blonde when I first started here, and then I was kind of like, you know what? It's not in anymore. I decided it, so I started to go back to dark.